Part 2 of birds.
See the big nest?
Oh, yours?
See that?
Big nest. Where is the... Want to see something cool?
What if you go that way or this way?
I didn't know it was boots like there. Yeah, there's 2 of them.
Little duck?
How long have you been doing it?
10 minutes and 50 seconds. Hide. Some crazy birds.
Oh, look, it's bat. Is it bats?
Huh?
Are they bats?
What?
Bats.
Yeah. Yep. Flying fox bat. Want to see a flying fox bat? Well, here you go. I'm gonna turn up the brightness so you can actually see it. Not on the phone, obviously. Like there's no light, but here. Okay, let me turn down the brightness. He's looking at me.
They're actually hanging the right way. They're hanging the right way. That's how bad.
Oh, yeah, upside down.
Sorry.
This is what I'm interested in.
The bird? Yeah, I love those birds.
Victoria Crown Pigeon.
Yep.
I like the color. Don't tell me when you get to my house you're bored.
Is there any birds? Where's the bird?
Yeah.
Oh. Hi, little buddy.
Canary.
Hi, little canary.
Canary. Why do you think there's pictures of the coal mine there and the canaries?
Don't even talk about that story.
Oh, why? Well, I mean, it would.
I know why. Why
that
do you
would
think
be
I
like
told her
your,
not to?
you know.
Don't think of that story.
Canary.
Don't think of that.
Canaries that get actually,
Don't
like,
you
if they're
dare even
toxic,
comment
they'll
anything in
go
this
and
video.
die.
I don't like dead animals.
Maybe there's that canary fell over the bite.
Nothing in there, but the canary's still there.
Yeah. Burrowing owl. Name, as their name suggests, burrowing owls spend most of their time on the ground or
Oh,
underground
I can tell you if you like this video, and I can tell you every single scientific fact about burrowing owls because I know all about them. Want to see one here? I know. I read like 5 articles on burrowing owls on like Safari. Like that's all. Yes, I love these. I don't even know. Wait, I forget what it's called. I knew what it was called. There's another one. Maybe we can see it better if we're over here. Well, you can actually see it worse. See, these are what I find all over the house. Not the eggs, those. You mean?
Does he have red eyes?
Yep, all of them do.
Wow, look at his head. Oh, he does.
Yeah.
You've read about that before.
Yeah, the story. I have like a whole story about that. He doesn't, Grandma. Hey, he doesn't want you close. He made a weird noise.
Really?
Yes. Does he like your mask?
Right there in the
Are you agitating the bird?
No.
It was making like a.
Was that him?
Yeah. Tim. Oh, so make him do it again. He doesn't like it.
He's tilting his head at me.
Stevie doesn't like you.
I think he did. He was purring at her.
Do birds purr?
that
Hey,
one
Ricky.
does.
Hey, no, hey, Ricky.
The crown pigeon is a known purr.
Hey, do birds purr?
Yeah, he was purring at me.
You'll probably get You'll probably get a better chance of a bird purring. You'll probably get a better chance of this thing actually working than a bird purring. Birds. No, they like each other.
They're fighting.
They like each other. They're dating. That's not fighting.
Is that how you date?
That's how birds go on a date. These two on the ground are just like,
They're
where?
also pretty.
These two on the ground
No,
are
they
like,
are friends. Look, because they're actually cleaning each other.
Yeah,
They're cleaning each other.
that's what I just told you. Yeah. Hey, these two birds on the ground, which is kind of blurry. They're like, I'm not gonna go on the date with them. I'm already married. That was the weirdest thing I've ever said on YouTube.
What did you
And
say
probably,
What did you say on YouTube?
I was talking about birds being married and one of them dating each other.
There's some else.
Huh? Oh, you want some birds?
They even have their own cage.
They have a cage. Look at it. Look. This is their cage, and that's another cage inside the cage that is not open too.
That one's open on the top.
Yeah, all of the cages are open,
Yeah.
but they're in a cage. In a cage. Who thought of this idea?
In a cage, in a cage.
In a cage, in a cage, in a cage.
Oh.
Oh my lord, lord. Oh hey, that's a peacock.
Wait, can I see more?
Birdie. Hey, what are you doing? What? Wait, is that a peacock? That looks like a peacock.
It smells like a peacock.
Have you been going around sniffing peacocks lately?
Yes.
Wait, you've been going around sniffing peacocks. How do you know what a peacock smells like?
Because I sniffing.
What?
Where? Oh, right there.
He's like posing. He's like, hey, yeah. Any birds above us? We see these guys again. Once again. He's boom. He's boom. He's boom. Oh, look at this.
Look at that.
Look at this kind of plant.
Look at the. Look up.
Oh, yeah. Look. Oh, James, do you see the yellow bird up there? And then there's another one.
You see it all the way up there, guys.
Yeah, that's what I just.
The yellow thing.
Are these? Is that a banana? Are these bananas? Mom, are these bananas? Holy bananas! Huh?
Probably plantains or something.
Yeah, something, huh?
Whatever. There's fruit flies
Because
eating.
plantains and bananas are very similar.
There's fruit flies eating all over it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, some of the birds probably like the bugs.
Look at that.
Yeah, some of the birds like fruit flies, so I'd say, because as you can see, we got some small birds. Speaking of small birds, what are you doing? He doesn't like you.
That's our tour guide.
Sorry, I'm trying to move. Hi.
Look at the little white one down here.
What?
There's a little white one down here.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. He's like, our tour guide left. I will be your tour guide for today. He's like, now I am your tour guide. You better listen to me in bird language. No one knows what bird language is. You want to say bye? Even though I don't know if we're doing anything else? Bye.